Do you know what are the secret of success? Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome back to my another brand new video. It's me Tamim. Today in this video I would love to talk about when someone interrupt to you, what should we do? What should I do? Okay, this is the purpose of making this video. When someone interrupt you, you should never give up. You should carry on your work. Success need a prize. When you do something better, then you will get a lot of obstacles. This is the obstacle of success. Okay, success need a prize. Without dedication, without sacrifice, accept obstacles, you can't be able to success. Do you know what are the secret of success? There are a lot of secret of success like dedication, sacrifice, obstacles, overcome interrupts. Okay, you have to overcome those are things. If you be able to overcome those are things, then you will be successful person. Success need a prize. Without dedication, without sacrifice, you can't be able to success in your life. How is it possible to avoid this kind of people? When someone interrupt you at this moment, you shouldn't tell something. You should be silent and avoid those kind of people, and the answer will be this day when you will success. At this moment, those are people interrupt to you, and after your success they come in front of you and say, wow, you were great. This is the nature of human. Dear learners, I do not want to make it more longer. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, stay connected with Tamim's English Care. Bye bye.